Welcome to another video from East Beds Bushcraft, the home of #survival.
Greetings bushcrafters and survivalists. Welcome back to the Village of New Asgard. And what we're going to be doing today is, for today's project, is at last we're going to be putting in our fire circle, which is really going to make the village come together. So let's get on with it. So we have our pile of rocks. Let's get to it and make up this fire circle. One fire circle, but what's missing? Fire. Let's get a fire going. So here we have it, our fire circle. Obviously it needs to bed in a bit. We're going to have a few fires in here, have a get together, get some cooking going over the top of the fire. But with all fires, as you can see now, this is really bringing life to the village. It's making it feel like a real village. You know, once we've got people in here, especially for the filming, and we've got everybody in their period costumes, and village life is going on around us, you know, this is going to be fantastic. And of course with bushcraft it means that we can have fantastic bushcraft weekends, have some splendid get-togethers and some, you know, good cookouts over the fire, and yeah, really pleased with it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.
Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video and subscribe to the East Beds Bushcraft channel. See you all again soon.